of Strata Control Technology, MN 6142. With advance wishes to all our beloved students for happy, safe and healthy New Year 2021. On this last day of this year class on Strata Control Technology, let me know whether my voice is clear to my beloved students or not. Accordingly, I will start sharing the slides and starting our interaction through our MS team. At least any one person may unmute.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
It's audible, sir.
Very nice. So now by this time already all our beloved students must have decided their assignment topics and prepared. We also should not extend to 2021 that work of assigning the topics on our learning based education. I invite our Professor Sahendra Ram, one of our senior scientists of CSIR SIMFER, who joined recently. I will also introduce him through his some of the good experiences on strata control technology after 10-20 minutes. Welcome Professor Sahendraram to our strata control technology team. Our beloved students are from final year, and also we have MTech students, about 20, who are not mining engineers by BTech. They are from electronics, mechanical, other departments like civil engineering with BTech. And that's why while explaining our subject, we also consider all these. Along with this team, we have our executive PhD scholars also having wide experiences and working as also general managers in different public and private sectors, having experience in other countries also with 20-25 years of experience. They are doing executive PhD program with our NIT Rourkela. They are also there in this class, like our Sridhar, Lalit, and others. They are big team from Manadi Coalfields, CMPDI, Singareni Collieries, Dalmia Cements, other groups are there, IBM, Indian Bureau of Mines, MOIL, Manganese Ore India Limited, and all those people. So with this now, I will start sharing my slides. My beloved students, let me know whether you are able to see my slide or not. Just I am sharing it. Are you able to see this slide?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So welcome
Yes,
to our lecture 7. So 7 is like a 7 hills. Jai Balaji with good spirit and blessings from all Almighty on the last day of this year, 31st December 2020 at 10 a.m. With advanced New Year 2021 wishes, and of course finalization of assignment topics in person by the students with their attendance. Here also I am taking the attendance so that I will be introducing them by their face also to our beloved faculty, Professor Sahendra Ram, as I told you, and he expressed his interest to share some of his wide experiences as a scientist who has conducted several investigations over 80 projects, being a senior scientist in CSIR SIMFER also. So now continuing with our class, as I told you already, I have explained in the last classes your assignment topics and also announced the subcomponents of the TA marks, how it was given, and then all your topics you must have decided, and then There may be some problem with connectivity in between, I don't know. Otherwise, your CR, class representative, or somebody on his behalf must have shared all the topics, titles, and those things now we will discuss for those who are unable to decide the topic. That also will be done. And before that, now I am again just reminding my beloved students that our TA marks, as per our regulation, academic regulation, it will be done for 20 for class test 1, 20 marks for class test 2, and 30 for home assignment, and 30 for 1-2. And this is supposed to be submitted before 5th February. Around 50% of the classes will be over by 21st day of the classes on 5th February. And then 15th Monday, this is the 25th day, then home assignments. All right. And then, of course, class test 2 we will be deciding later based on our COVID-19 period. And that paper, whatever that interesting topic selected by you, you will be preparing in the international journal format. And many times we discuss, so I am not going much into that again and again. But before entering into new year, that old year things you should finish. And then since already many of my students, beloved students, are also good planners, as we discussed. So we plan to accomplish the works in the best possible way. So this is a part of our UG academic regulations where this TA assigning marks as a part of TA was also nicely explained to you. This is just to remind you, I kept it here. And here basically assignment topics, and there now you should unmute, and then you should also show the face. I will be reading one by one, whoever are there in this. Now I am going to this, and then I will be writing the topic also. Your already topic decided. Now your CR or anybody can share it in the chat box. Right. And otherwise, meanwhile, let me continue very fast without spending much time. Now, Kalivarapu Srikar.
Yes, sir.
You have to unmute yourself, right, Srikar,
Yes.
and then show your face. This is what we planned.
Yes.
Very nice. So your topic. Your
Sir,
topic.
Starter control technology in underground coal mines.
Acha. Okay. Now basically, we were supposed to select in other way. Other way implies. Let me also keep this in a window so that everybody can see and everybody will be knowing. And if already this list is prepared, any of you can share that list so that we will spare more time for other interaction, because this is also supposed to be done as a part of it. Okay. So Srikar is anyway, anything is data control only. You wanted in UG coal mines.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ashutosh Ray. Ashutosh Ray. If somebody is absent, don't worry. I will write absent here, then we will go for the next. Is absent? Absent. Manish. Manish Bhagat. He is also absent? Absent. Okay. Then next. Manish Bhagat is absent. Then next one. Vishal Kumar. Everybody is seeing the list. Everybody knows their attendance.
Yes, sir.
Bhagat is also absent. Vishal.
Yes, yes, sir.
Title. Your title. Show your face and then tell your title of assignment which was selected. Vishal. Very nice. Very good.
Retention of failed strata.
What is that?
Retention of failed strata.
Retention of
Failed
failed
strata.
strata. Because I am not discussing much on this now because we don't want to spend time, because we already discussed about how to select the topic from the course syllabus, and you must have seen a lot of literature related to that. Vishal, am I right? and you must have developed some interest in some topic. And again, I told you in selecting the topic, depending on your interest when you select, and you will be collecting lot of material and then making something like an international journal paper and then sharing your knowledge. Since you are in the final year and we wanted the best data control engineers to come out. So you must have selected like this. Okay, next we will go to Chintan. Chintan, absent. Okay, now let us go to next man, Mohit.
Yes, sir.
Absent.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
You need not tell good morning and other formality. Tell your topic. You are all our
Sir,
beloved
data
students.
control and instrumentation.
Instrumentation. You are interested in instrumentation. Okay. In
Yes.
fact, your CR must be sleeping. He must have done long back this exercise. He must have shared with us. Okay, no problem. Karthi, where is your face? You are not here. Mohit, you may be somewhere in Pakistan.
Yes, sir. Here.
Very nice. Daddy अच्छा है आपका. Next,
Thank
Karthik.
Yes, sir.
Yes, topic.
Sir,
So that you need not spend much time. Yeah.
sir, case studies on problem of starter control in different mines.
No, that is not the topic. That means you have not done any exercise on this over 15 days. That is a generalized one. Anything else? I am keeping blank. You think over based on whatever others are telling, then tell. Right. Next, Jayanta.
Yes, sir.
Topic.
Sir, water management in environments.
Water.
Management.
Water management, how it is related to data control? Anything?
So water related problems after living.
Very nice. All the best. Right. Next, Vishal. Vishal Kadam. Vishal Kadam.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Sir, application of AI in strata control technology.
Very nice. AI applications. All are related to data control only. Very good. Nice. Next, Swadhin. आपको बहुत ठंडा है लगता है जी उधर.
Data control.
Data control is a general subject. Swadhin, what is your topic? Not decided?
Data control, sir.
Nice. Data control is a topic itself. That is not your, that is a generalized. In long wall or board and pillar, thick seam mining, multiple seam mining, protection of surface feature. There are so many issues already we discussed. Yeah, something instrumentation, metal mine, coal mine, open cast mine, underground mine.
Protection of surface feature.
Surface protection. Okay. So, protection of surface. Okay. Next, where is your face? You are not here.
Sir,
Somebody else must be talking. I don't know. Swadhin. No, we are not showing in DD1 and you need not have a makeup.
It's in dark.
Okay, it's okay. No problem. No problem. Anish, let us be very fast.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Mining engineers are very fast. Anish.
Yes, sir.
Kangi nahi kiya. No problem.
Static control in thick seam mining.
Deep seam mining. Okay. Now don't waste time telling data control, right? So that is a general data control is related to the subject only. So you are interested in deep sea mining. Okay. Next, Indrajit. Indrajit, be fast. You should finish within 10 minutes. Yes. Indrajit, show your face in 2020 because next year will be 21. Right. Good. Indrajit. Data control, you should not use that word. You tell what is your interesting
during depillering section of the board and
depillering. Okay, right. Had you done some more exercise, you should have told that depillering in multiple seams, thick seams, inclined seams, so many things are there. No problem, don't worry. Next, Neeraj.
Yes, sir. Starter control problem in blasting gallery panel.
In BG, okay? BG working. Next, Robin. But where is your face? Neeraj.
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Makeup nahi kiya kya?
नहीं सर, ऐसी बात नहीं है सर.
अच्छा है भाई, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल कंगी, राइट. Robin. Robin.
Yes, sir.
All this is being recorded. You can see yourself later, at least in 2020, everybody. Robin. आपका टॉपिक बताइए.
Stata control and application in Charcha Mine. Case study.
चर्चा माइन. हाँ, आप बहुत चर्चा करना चाहेंगे. वेरी गुड, नाइस. हाँ, चर्चा माइन. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Chaman, you can also tell in any specific coal fields something which you are more interested. There may be a mine which is adjacent to your house, or your parents or somebody may be working. You know better. You are more confident and interested to do something on that. Very good. Chaman, be fast. Chaman Kumar Lat. Today's class material already I sent through your Nitris as well as here also, so that it is easy for us to interact even if there is any problem in connectivity. Chaman is absent. Okay, he is absent. Next is Pani. Absent. Okay. Next is Nikhil. Absent. Is absent. Nice. Okay. Now we are going to the next. Sambodhi. Absent.
Sir, GDK11 incline. In GDK11 incline.
Okay, right. And next. Later you will be deciding your particular topics, but something related to that. That is the meaning of it. So you are more interested in that.
Sir,
So
in
you must
GDK11 incline, Stata control type.
Okay, over. Next is Manavesh. Manavesh.
Strata monitoring in thick coal seam mining.
You mean monitoring?
Strata monitoring.
Thick
coal seam mining. Thick
okay,
coal seam
monitoring
mining.
in thick coal seams. Okay, very nice. Good. Next is who is next? Divya Prakash Mahanti. Absent?
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Then you should tell the topic.
Sir, I have not decided. Like,
then he is here. By the end of the class, you should tell. Jagadish.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, modern day support system is used for supporting the upper seams.
Modern
upper
supports.
strata.
Modern supports, whatever. ठीक है. Next.
Yes.
Manish. अच्छा, किसी को COVID-19 तो नहीं हुआ? Anybody got COVID-19 in this period? Next, Manish.
The risk assessment from the hazards of roof and side wall fall.
Risk assessment.
Yes, sir.
Very good in risk assessment. Good. Next is Prabhupada.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
In 5 minutes we should finish. Prabhupada.
Yes, sir. Sir, mine waste dump failure and its like
dump.
hazard management.
Okay, waste dump. Mayank. Mayank absent. Mayank absent. Next. Let us go to next. If somebody is absent, let us go to next. Subham. Subham Raj. Absent? Okay.
Yes, sir. Hello. Present, sir. Present.
Then where are you? You should tell the topic.
Problems during depilling, sir. Problems of strata control during depilling.
Problems in depilling. Next. Prabhu Prasad Raut. ये तो absent है. Right. Next. Deepti.
Sir, support system in long wall panels.
Long wall. Okay. Long wall support. Okay. Next. Pandava. और थोड़ा fast.
Slope stability using chemical grouts.
Chemical grouts. Slope stabilization. Right?
Yes, sir.
To chemical grouts. ठीक है. Next. Malay.
Yes, sir. Sir, prediction of surface subsidence and its monitoring using various instruments.
Prediction subsidence. Okay. Very nice. Next. Akshat.
Yes, sir. Sir, short pleating.
Where is your face?
Yes, sir.
शर्मा रहा है क्या?
No, sir.
ठीक है, कभी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स हो सकता है, मैं बुढ़ा हो गया ना, डोंट वरी फॉर स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स. हाँ, नेक्स्ट सौरभ सिंह.
Bolting in underground coal mine.
Bolting. You are interested in bolting. Okay. Next तैयार रहना है. You are not showing your face, Saurabh?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Abhishek.
Sir, pillar design approaches.
ये है pillar design. Very good. Next, Nitesh. Absent.
Sir, scamp in GDK 11 incline sim 1.
GDK 11. Very good. Next. Next, Nayak. Bandhu.
Rampura Agucha mine, strata control problem.
That is HZL Rampura.
Yes, sir.
Rampura Aguja. Then Pawan. और थोड़ा फास्ट हो जाइए. पवन कुमार एब्सेंट. अच्छा, कोई एब्सेंट है तो एब्सेंट बोल दीजिए, कोई और लोग. ठीक है. हाँ, निखिल एब्सेंट. निखिल एब्सेंट.
No, sir. Present, sir.
Then tell the
No, sir.
topic.
Present, sir.
Then tell the topic.
Sir.
It's
what?
In what?
Strata monitoring instruments in roof fall risk assessment in underground coal mines.
Instruments, roof fall.
In
whatever.
Roof fall risk assessment in underground coal mines.
Right. Next. I wanted a broad topic so that you have done some exercise and try to understand. Nitish.
Yes, sir. Support system for depillaring, sir.
Depillaring support. Okay. Later we will be deciding your other subtopics and Kadam. और थोड़ा फास्ट हो जाइए.
Sir, design of support system, broad pillar.
Board and pillar. Design support system, board and pillar. ये BP बढ़ाएगा. Next one Saj.
Yeah, strata control cell in underground mines, sir.
Yes, strata control cell. You are interested in strata control cell. Next, Malatu, Naresh.
A reduction of risk from roof and side fall in Indian coal mines, sir.
Reduction
of risk from roof and side falls in Indian coal mines.
Falls. Okay. Next. Achha, these are in MTechs, right? Non-mining. Yes. I appreciate your interest. Next, और थोड़ा fast. You give a broad topic. It can be you may be near to some mines or in BCCL mine, somebody ECL mine, somebody related to planning something, right? Whatever, right? Rajshekhar.
Sir, good morning, sir. And my topic is strata management cycle in underground coal mine.
Strata management, ठीक है? Coal mine. अच्छा, nobody.
Strata management cycle.
No, it's okay. Broad topic only we are. हाँ, पीयूष. और थोड़ा fast हो जाइए, पीयूष.
Roof bolts, sir. Roof bolts.
Roof bolts already somebody told, so you can decide later also. For the common things, I told you already what to be done. Next, Praneeth. Later you will be giving the titles related to
strata control techniques, sir.
Techniques what? Where?
Strata control techniques and its application to coal mine industry.
That is a generalized one. Acha, you are there in which state? Which mines
Telangana,
are
sir.
Huh?
Telangana.
Which mines are nearby?
Singareni.
KTK 5 mine. ठीक है?
Sir.
KTK 5 mine strata control. Okay. उसका टेक्निक के बारे में करो बढ़िया से. हाँ, सार्थका दत्ता. एब्सेंट है, तुरंत बताइए। हाँ, दीप्ति रंजन एब्सेंट।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Absent or present?
Hello.
Then topic.
Present, sir.
Topic.
The Stata control technology for mass exploitation in underground coal deposit.
No. Then you do it for continuous minor.
Continuous minor. A case study for continuous minor.
Minor panels. Strata control. Okay. Next is Manikanta.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Demonstration of geotechnical instrumentation, sir.
Instrumentation in where? Instrumentation. Where?
Geotechnical instruments, sir. Demonstration of geotechnical instruments.
In long wall, in Boden pillar, in deep sea.
Long wall, sir.
Coal
Long
mine, whatever. ठीक है. Next, Kumar. Sunil.
Geomechanics classification of rocks, sir.
अच्छा, so you are interested in classification. Classification of rock mass. Okay. Next, Rohit. Show your face. Tell the topic.
Sir, strata control problem and accessing the risk from the hazard of roof and side falls.
No, any mines?
Sir, I'm near
ECL mines.
near uranium mine, sir.
No, I mean in UCIL.
Yes, sir.
UCIL, you want risk management.
Jadugoda, sir.
ठीक है, risk management. जादूगोड़ा.
Yes, sir.
Next. और थोड़ा फास्ट हो जाइए जी. गुंजन नेगी. Gunjan.
The safety in mines and strata control problems.
That is a general, madam. In
Sir,
which mine? You are there in which state?
Sir, Uttarakhand.
उत्तराखंड का नजदीक क्या माइंस है? You want to in open cast mines? Limestone mines है उधर बहुत, इधर उधर. Marble mines, limestone mines. Slope stability interested? Underground or open cast? You are interested in underground or open cast?
Sir, underground.
Underground, not open cast. ठीक है, underground mines coal or metal?
Sir, coal.
So related to underground coal, then you will be taking some topic. We will decide. Okay. Next.
Yes, sir.
Satish.
Yes, sir. I'm taking design of support systems for long wall workings in underground mines.
Design long wall. Okay. Then next. We have so many people. Let us be very fast.
Sir.
Yes.
Hello. Sir, Nitin.
Nitin.
Sir, application of modeling techniques to strata control.
Okay. Next. Aditya.
Sir, geological factors contributing for strata control problems in mine.
The toughest subject he selected. Okay. Next. Bukka. Vivek. Be fast. Vivek. We have only 10 more. Vivek absent. If somebody is absent, tell me. Kunal. Absent.
No, sir. Present, sir.
Then,
Present, sir. Kunal.
Topic.
Assessing the risk in roof and side fall in Samleswari mines. Samleswari mines. Sir, Samleswari. Sir, it's Jharsuguda Samleswari mines.
MCL. ठीक है, अमृतेश.
Good morning, sir. Hello.
Fast. Show your face.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, strata control and monitoring plan in longwall panel of Jahanjira project colliery.
Longwall, Jahanjira. Very good topic. ECL. Some Prakash.
Sir, prediction of surface subsidence and its monitoring.
Taken.
No, sir, prediction is not. No, sir, prediction is not taken, sir.
Prediction of subsidence.
Surface and its monitoring.
Next, Swati.
So analysis of analysis and monitoring of convergence indicators in Govinda mines.
Analysis. related to convergence. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then it is better, madam. Roof fall based on convergence. Also, there are very good techniques people trying to do. Okay, whatever. Then Swayamjit.
Sir, strata reinforcement using resin and cement bolting.
Reinforcement resin. Okay. Next, resin cement. This is a very good word. We have to compare what is the difference between these two. Acha, next, Avinash Patel. Absent. Is absent. Next. Patnaik.
Yes, sir. Using fly ash for slope stability and strata control tech methods.
Fly ash slope stability. Not interested in underground fly ash filling. Okay, whatever. Next,
yes, sir,
Sohaila.
I
You may also try to show your face if it is convenient for you. Okay. Sohaila, absent?
No, sir, present, sir.
Then where is the topic?
My topic is study of strata behavior in blasting gallery panel.
Behavior, already somebody has taken.
Blasting gallery panel, in blasting gallery panel.
Whatever, and we will come up with a subtopic also. Next,
sir.
Adarsh. Verma.
Yes, sir. Sir, effect of blasting on strata.
Effect of blasting. Okay. On strata control.
Yes, sir.
Sir, strata behavior in white stall.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Sir, your sound is mute.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Hello.
हेलो एमटेक लिस्ट में सर वीरेंद्र पाल का सर नाम नहीं है सर. एमटेक सर. Topic is sir assessing the risk from the hazards of roof and side fall.
Sir, please unmute, sir. You are muted.
Hazards of roof and sides. Hazards of roof and side fall.
Sir, this topic is repeated, sir. Sir, I have taken the same topic.
Sir, please unmute yourself, sir.
Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, right now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's okay, right? Let us not waste time. Now we will close that business. Here, just let me continue for few minutes on this. Yes. Now, yesterday in the last class, we discussed about that roof fall accident was took place at Vakilapalli mine. Are you able to see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there are layers. You may note down layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4. For each layer, so these things, because already I have sent this to everybody. You need not write, but try to understand. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me also. And after just 5-10 minutes, I will hand over to our Professor Sayendaram to share his experiences on strata control and related to our module 1. He has done a lot of work. So that is a great opportunity for all of our beloved students to hear to him sharing his experiences on these different geological disturbances or strata control as a scientist, whatever he has done. That is a very good experiences you can hear. Just 5 minutes only I will tell about this. And then for layer 1, layer 2, because there are different layers of layer thickness, for example, 96 centimeter, right? Then different values are given. Depending on that value, their ratings are given. So ultimately, all this is a CMRIs and ISM rock mass classification, which was developed already, I told you, by Professor A.K. Ghosh Saab and our former colleague scientists, Dr. N.M. Raju Saab and Venkateshwarlu, all those people, right? So this is 60 for layer 1, 62 for layer 2, 61 for layer 3, and 54 for layer 4. So we are supposed to consider that, and then ultimately we are giving a combined rock mass rating. And when you consider that along with its rating and then its thickness and then its rock mass rating, right? We will be getting it, and based on that we will be doing some adjustments also. What is the meaning of adjustment? Because when this rock mass rating was developed, there were some conditions, because I know personally all that data, and while doing that I was there with them, right? Where they collected a lot of data from around 60-70 mines, and then whatever the data was collected, they tried to give some type of a factorial analysis, right? Sensitivity analysis, and then empirical model. And that empirical model, what is developed, cannot be utilized for the conditions beyond the data. That means when I have used the data up to only 250 meter or 200 meter depth cover, I cannot directly use that empirical formulation, whatever is developed, to other mines which are at 500 meter or 400 meter, something like that. Very simple to understand. That is a difference between empirical models, analytical models, and numerical models. There are different limitations for that. Then for that purpose, in this mine, as the depth is less than 250 meter, no adjustment is required, right? But the present working depth is near to 264. Hence, 10% reduction is made, and these details are already there when you go into what is the rock mass rating and then its adjustments for which range of depth, how much adjustment is there, how much ultimately it is supposed to be reduced. Rock mass rating reduction by 10%. That means the conditions may be inferior when more depth is there. That is a simple common sense, or we can say layman's language. The influence of that depth cover, how it is considered based on their analysis, they have given as an adjustment. That is very simple for those non-mining BTechs. Otherwise, our other students, they know about it because we discussed at length with them in previous semesters also. Then method of extraction. Here, since the method of excavation is by solid blasting, then 10% reduction is made to combined RMR. Then a gallery span. As the gallery span is less than 4.5 meter, then no adjustment is required, because that is the way how when that rock mass rating was developed, they have given some adjustment required, and based on the data which was used to develop that empirical model. Then extraction area within the same seam up to 40 meter, so no adjustment is required. So because this type of adjustments after giving this, then we will be coming to the final adjusted rock mass rating, and already it was given that around 48. So under classification they have given so many things, details into that I am not going at present. In the classification 3 as a fair category, and they also try to give, not only now, in 1988 itself by our beloved Professor A.K. Gosab and other team, PAL committee reports, they have given a lot of things, and based on that this rock load is estimated, and there is an equation with the width of gallery span, density, and then with this is the equation, rock mass rating into whatever, right? So based on that, rock load is 3.7 ton per meter square, and this gives that lithology with rock mass ratings of individual layers. Since I sent already this PPTs also to everybody in NITRIS, and here I am not spending much time on this, and these plans and all I have shown to you at that time. I hope you have seen in that Vaklapalli mine, which happened, the recent roof fall accident where we lost our Naveen overman in that, and we are doing that investigations. And if some time is there, then I can also take you people into that mine also, if I have not taken you before through our video and photographs and all those things, right? In which these type of faults are there, right? And then other geological disturbances and other things. Now you can see different faults, right? So many things were already shown in the previous plans to my beloved students, right? And other weak rocks and other things, of course, we will discuss later. And here just I would like to stop, and if any doubts related to just only 1-2 minutes related to assignment, this one selection process, you can ask. And of course other doubts we will be taking up through our WhatsApp, and then through phone and through mails also, to decide final topics. On that 1-2 minutes only you should take, and later what we do is I requested our Professor Sahendra Ram to spare his 10 minutes time explaining, sharing his experiences on he has made a wonderful PPT also that he will be explaining for about 10 minutes. Okay, so any doubts here you can ask, any doubts about our assignments and all, or any other issue, whatever about the subject, right? First thing is assignments and subject, right? If there are no doubts, let me take your attendance once. Your attendance I am downloading, right? Sometimes it may not get downloaded. Okay, I tried once again. Then now I am withdrawing, sharing the slide, and now I request our Professor Sahendra, newly joined faculty, and now you can take over for around 10 minutes, sharing your experiences as a scientist, senior scientist in CSIR SIM for dealing with various data control problems. Now, welcome Professor Sahendra Ram, as I told you already. Now you have seen our beloved students, their beautiful faces also. So that is the way how I try to balance all the situation, greeting our students also in their entering into the new year, showing their faces and taking attendance. And you must have understood the interest of our students also by this time, based on their selection. I used to tell them in a very simple language that if somebody is interested in chicken, so whenever he goes to any place like Jadal Mines or anywhere, he will try to find out which place is better for the chicken, right? Similarly for fish. So now like that they identify their topics. So now they are enthusiastic to learn more in their own topics and become experts in that line as a part of the total course. And that is their assignment given as an individual learning based assignment. Now over to Professor Sahendra Ram, please. Now you can share the slide. Now it is 10:46 or like that. We can take around 10 minutes. Later we have 5 minutes for further discussion and interaction with the students. Are there any doubts?
Okay. So am I audible? Am I audible?
Yeah, your voice is clear, and now you can open the slide.
I have opened already. So it is.
And you have to sharing is there, but you have to double click it. It is not open. I think you are sharing the screen. You double click that. It is not open now. Or if it is already opened, you can go to that. Your PPT.
Already open, sir. Actually.
Now you open the PPT now in your screen. But for us, only your this drive quick access is visible. इसलिए उसको आप डबल क्लिक करने से भी यहाँ से भी ओपन हो जाएगा. Or you can directly go to your PPT. Since you already shared the screen, whatever is there on the screen, it should appear for us. As we have done some trials yesterday also.
Now it is okay?
No, it is not open. Your PPT is not visible. You double click that, whatever is there. Are you able to see your PPT?
Yes, I am able to see.
Then you share the slide then. Once again, share your screen. Go to sharing on the top, left side to that leave red button. Yes.
Right.
There you go and then share.
Okay.
Share your screen. Now it will come. Yes, now it is there. Now you can make it full screen. Yes, my beloved students, are you able to see the screen and hear to our Professor Sahendra Ram?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Let us welcome him with very good claps to our NIT Rourkela with his vast experience as a senior scientist in CSIR SIMFER, working specifically on strata control problems. Okay, Professor Sahendra, over to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much again. Should I start?
Yes.
So good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about present problems of strata control in underground coal mines. So we will have a brief discussion on this topic. So what is the strata control? We know that strata control is a management of the strata to facilitate safety at working place to extract coal efficiently from underground mines. So what is the working place? Anyone can say what is the working place?
You can respond, my beloved students, wherever visible.
What do you mean by working place in underground mine? No, okay. Working place is a place of underground mine where any person go or access by lawfully. That is what is under the provision of the statute, like coal mines regulation. Any miner worker can go there and work and extract the coal. So
sorry for interrupting, sir, but the voice is not so clear. It's
Hello.
Now your voice is very clear for us. There may be some problem with somebody, but you can continue because since we don't have much time, you can continue, make it very short. Of course, detailed discussion we will be having in further classes.
Okay, sir. So here you can see in this left side figure a buried continuous miner during extraction of coal seam, extraction of pillar. And that buried of continuous miner was due to the lack of understanding of geological discontinuity. But anyhow, the continuous miner was retrieved successfully due to presence of improved strata and shallow depth of cover. So, ladies and gentlemen, we cannot do the mining or extract a single ton of coal or difficult to coal without understanding and management of problems associated with strata control. So we must learn about what is the strata control problem associated with underground coal mining. So these are the strata control problem. Rock mass, generally coal is deposited during the sedimentary formation. So rock mass in itself is strata control problem because presence of different geological discontinuity, depth of cover and stress. Generally stress changes with depth of cover. So it has a significant influence over the mining activity. Thick seam mining, thick seam 4.8 meter and above is thick seam mining defined in Indian coal mines. So generally strata movement is huge in case of thick seam mining activity compared to the normal height of extraction and multi-seam working. So multi-seam, what happens? There is a prime concern of parting stability between the two coal seams. So multi-seam, during extraction of multi-seam, strata control behavior is also challenging for us. Inclination of the coal seam, due to incline, the stability, strength of geotechnical structure like pillar, reef, snook, diluted, reduced. So it is also a gray area for the research. Prediction of roof falls. So if you visit the underground mine where drilling is going on, everyone will ask about the probability of roof fall, when the roof fall will be happening, and working factor. So it is also important. What is the impact of underground working in overlying strata? So you must know what is the working factor for different rock mass structure. What will be for weak rock strata, strong and massive strata. And support design at higher stress condition. So in the higher depth of cover, we have to deal with the stress condition. So there is significant influence of stress, higher stress like spalling, fracturing, crushing of pillars. So accordingly, we have to design the support system. Settlement time of both. There is no standard norm for settlement of both after extraction of panel. So it is also need to understand and study life of developed pillar. So here you can see once a pillar is developed, what will be the life of the when it will going to fail, it should a matter of study. And poor in data bank. So it is not possible to do monitoring and instrumentation in every pillar. So there is need of extensive strata monitoring using different geotechnical instruments, and lack of continuous monitoring during mining activity. So generally we observe the data, monitor the data, strata behavior once or twice a day. So it must be monitored continuous with time. So it will be good information about the movement of strata during the mining activity. So and last one is operational time study. So what we experienced, observed during the field study. Operational time study means what time is taken to complete a slice, what time is taken to complete a sleeve, and what time taken roof fall after extraction of pillar. So it is also one of the important part for the strata control program. So now come to the rock mass. As we said, it is a sedimentary formation. So it is full of huge uncertainty for mining area because there is a homogeneous in nature, anisotropic condition, presence of geological discontinuity, disturbances like fault, fold, sandstone, stone intrusion, dike, etc., clit in coal mass, joint in sandstone, cross stratification, and biggest enemy for the mining area is hidden slip. It caused a number of accidents in mines in last decades. And presence of dirt bands. So many pillars available empirical approach for pillar design do not consider the dirt band in coal seam. And what if you see the many dots were present in question. So it is also a matter of concern for pillar design and inclination of seam. As I said, it will reduce the strength of the pillar. And in field, rock mass found from weak eliminated to a strong like steel, dike, and massive roof strata. So under this condition, you have to design suitably geotechnical structure like width, pillar side, snook side, fender side, both support like that, and prediction of roof for depending also capability nature. So we have a formula for capability index on the basis of the behavior of rock mass in long wall. But we don't have the capability nature of rock mass for board and pillar working because there is board and pillar is a broken nature of working. We have to leave a different remnants, so they provide some resistance in hanging rope inside the boat. So this is also gray area for estimation of capability index in board and pillar working, both encroachment and management of a strong and massive structure like church mines, as one student was telling. So these are the challenges for mining engineers. Now come to the depth of cover. Depth of cover and stress are interrelated. Stress are
Here I interrupt here. Very good discussion continuing. Since we don't have much time, these things we will take up on the next class. Tomorrow also we are having class for our students. Now here in the previous slides you have nicely shown hidden slips. So just regarding that, I will show some photographs of BKP mine before closing for today within 1 minute. And then from here tomorrow class again we will continue. I think that is fine. That is fine. Very good. So my beloved students, meanwhile you decide, now you have 2 minutes time. Only 1 minute I show that photo, 1 minute you have to summarize. I am just showing here you can withdraw that sharing. I will share here just for 1 minute because that hidden slips nicely you have shown. Now this is that VKP mine where because of these hidden slips this accident took place where we lost. This is that mine. We are entering inside the mine to the place where hidden slips are there. Now you see this is we are going inside. He is our Maharshi, COVID-19 warrior, MTech scholar. This is a place where accident took place with the LHDs and working. Then the width of that workings measured by them nicely 3.9 meters, and then 40 deep 62 level fault plane, how that place is there, because our Professor Saindram nicely showed that slips, sparks and other things. I thought it is better to show the live example what we are investigating at present. You see the different typical situations, conditions where width is 4.3, 40, and then you see how the conditions are there, that is roof supports, W straps, roof bolts, and even some type of disturbance in the roof, some scaling happened here, and then this is a place 40 deep of 64 level, then instrumentation nicely that telltales how it is looking like, and then 40 deep 64 level, then with W straps. This is we are nearing the place of that accident where we lost our Naveen because of the hidden slips. This is what is that roof scaling. This is specifically done. So to our beloved students of strata control technology, all the conditions how it is and which led to loss of one human life, which is invaluable. Even you pay crores of rupees, we will not get the life. But this is the importance of our strata control engineer. This is where our dead body of our Naveen was there, removed, and this is that accident, fatal accident. Now you see that case because of hidden slips and by the fault planes and other places, disturbances, how it is. And this is that our COVID-19 warriors, how they are investigating and provided all that information for the benefit of our strata control students. This is what just I wanted to show now near that junction, how it is being supported, and then investigation as a part of investigation, how we are considering all the parameters of this roof fall. This is that issue, and I wish that we should be in a position to protect our miners with improving the stability against this type of any geological disturbances. And with my limited experience of 3.5 decades, I can say there may be some conditions which may not be controlled by us, and there is no other way to close down that mine. But our best efforts we can make to protect the workings with safety, stability, and the safety of our persons. And that is what is our strata control engineer's job. And you see side supports are also there, bolting, all those things. Like that, there are so many. I am not doing all the things. Now, I would like to stop at this stage, my beloved students. Now, anybody, if there are anybody to summarize, you can summarize. Otherwise, we will close for today. Anybody to summarize just within 30 seconds? We don't want to take...
Sir, I can summarize.
Yes.
Nitin Singh.
Tell the name.
Sir,
name.
Nitin Singh.
Nitin, very good, Nitin. Nitin summarizing. Only 30 seconds.
Sir, yes, sir. We have started with the borehole number and the layer. Then we have come to the methodology of RMR, rock mass rating, and the different type of adjustment that we should do in that that we have seen. Then handing over to sir, sir has taught us about the strata control problems. He has shown the different type of problems that are there, and in which today he has discussed about the rock mass sediment formation. In detailed discussion was there, like the uncertainty that is there of inhomogeneous and isotropic, presence of dirt band, etc. Sir.
Advanced New Year wishes to all, and tomorrow we will continue with our Professor Sayendraram giving his experiences because he has made nicely good slides. Because of the time, paucity of time, now we could not do that. So tomorrow we will do that. Already I have written here. Tomorrow we will continue with tomorrow. I think we are having class at what time? Anybody? Anybody remembered our class timings? Prabhupada, Nitesh, Swati? Nobody?
Sir, 9 to 10.
Very good. So tomorrow 9 a.m. we start with the remaining discussion. Our Professor Sayendraram. Okay, we will do like that, and then take care. Dhanyavad to your parents. They are providing all the facilities to you, my beloved students. This is opportunity for you to help them. Okay, and then take care of COVID-19. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. बाद में क्या बोलना है? My beloved students. क्या बोलना है बाद में?
जय आत्मनिर्भर भारत.
Right.
Jai NIT Rourkela.
Jai Strata Control Technology. Now I am stopping this recording. You can. I hope you are making all these YouTube links and other things so that those who could not participate because of connectivity problems, not because of their laziness or anything, because my beloved students are always very active, attentive, sincere, and part of our Make India, right? Very good. Atmanirbhar Bharat. All the best. Once again, advance New Year wishes. I am stopping now. Stopping recording. Okay.